This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
If this video helps you, please subscribe to our channel.
Hey guys, today I want to go over with you how you can get more people to see your videos throughout the world rather than just limiting it to English. There's a lot of other language that you could translate to, and that opens up to a much bigger market. For example, the audience in China, which is huge, got the more people speaking Mandarin than almost any other language. So you could translate some of your videos or all of your videos to that language, and it's pretty easy. You do need to get Tubebuddy, and Tubebuddy is something you can get for your Google account, and if you want to do the translation, you want to use their highest level, which is called Legend, and you can do it on a monthly basis or you can do it on a yearly basis, but you can try it for a month. Without any discounts, it's about $49 per month, but you can have different discounts to start it off, and it's pretty cool. Once it's part of your computer or part of your Google account, you have the YouTube link to it, and you have it on the Legend account, which is the highest level. You can then go to your YouTube channel and you can pick some videos that you might want to translate. What I did is I used my filter button right here, and I put in the title Miele dishwasher. I want to translate a bunch of the Miele dishwashers, and I said I want to see all the views over 700,000 because I didn't want to do all of them. So now I want to translate this one. It's called Leaking Underneath F70 for the Miele dishwasher. So I want to help other people, other countries. So I'll click Details, and then I'll go to down here to the left to Subtitles. And now it populates. Pretty cool. This is again is after you have the Tubebuddy. This is the Tubebuddy logo added onto your Google account. You can just go to tubebuddy.com. It says mainly English is the main people so far who've been watching. Also people from India who speak Hindi. But for Miele, I'd like to make this available for people who speak German and French. So what I'm going to do is come up here and I'm going to look under English Automatic. I'm going to press the duplicate and edit button right here. It'll give me a new screen, and this is my video, but it has all my text. This is me speaking, and if I press play, it'll be my voice, but also I'll have all the English translation or subtitles, which is pretty cool. But once you have this, you can press publish. If you want to make any changes, you can change it, proofread it, and then you can add a language. You can come down to add language. I'm going to add the German language. So a lot of people, Miele has about half of their sales is there in Germany, and the other half is abroad. So I'm going to say German. There's different versions of German, but I'm going to just use regular German. And now it has German added. But I will need to do another step. I need to go to title and description and press the add button. So this is the English text, and I'm going to press translate. Takes a sec. Now it shows the same thing but in the German language, which is pretty cool. Got to be a little careful here because sometimes when it goes to another language, it may surpass your total, in your description, your total amount of words available. So I got to get rid of some of this. Okay, now I'm within specs, so I'm all set. So just if that turns red, it means you have to get rid of some of the text. So I'll press publish. So that's great. So now I have the title and description, but more importantly now I want to go to subtitles. I think that really helps the viewer. I'm going to press add, Now you should get this auto translate. Should be kind of darker so you can press it. I'm not getting it yet, so what I'll do is I'm going to get out of this and come back to it. I think it takes a second, or I've tried going back and forth and finally it does work. Let me try it again. I'm going to go to German, add. Yeah, now it does work. There's the German. So I'll press auto translate. That's really cool. It's all right there. So now when I press play, it's got it's saying this hat the fixed Karl. So it's saying you have the English playing in the background and then it's saying it in German. Super cool. And that'll be throughout the whole video. So that can help a lot more viewers now. German speakers wouldn't understand much of the English. So I'll press publish. And we're all set. We now have it in German, both the title and the description and the subtitles. I'm going to add one more language. So you can add up to 50 per day when you get the YouTube Legend. You can do, like I've already done a whole bunch today, but tomorrow I can do 50 more. So I'll go to French. There's French. I'm going to do the subtitle and description. And there's the English. I'm going to go to the translate button. And now it says it in French, but again I've surpassed down here. There's too much text, so I'll eliminate this last paragraph. Just going to delete that. Still a little bit over. Let me eliminate this. These are just ads that are in the description. I guess the French language is a bit wordy because it's still over. There we go. Okay, so I'll press publish. That's great. So now I have English, German, and French. I do want to do for French also the subtitles, so I'll press add. There's the auto translate. That's what I want. I'll click that. So it's got the first thing I say, then it's in French. The second line I say, then it's in French. Super cool. So easy. I'll press publish. Now I've got English, German, and French, and you can do more. You may say to yourself, well, what other languages would maybe be important for this video? You could go to this analytics button for this particular video. Click that. And there's one for audience right up here. You could click that one. And then you come down, it'll give you a language breakdown, or I'm sorry, more of a country breakdown. So Australia, people speak English. United Kingdom, speak English. United States. But you can have Mila people in Germany, France, Italy. And that might give you an idea of what other languages you may want to translate to. So I hope this helps you guys. It's going to get your videos viewed by a lot more people, and hopefully it'll get a lot more exposure for you. So thanks so much for watching.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate you coming to our channel. Please subscribe when you get a chance by pressing the subscribe button and also the bell button so we can send you notifications of any new videos that come along. And we have a new thing here called the applaud button. If you really liked the video, if it was helpful to you, if you can click that, we really appreciate that. It shows your interest in our channel and your support, and can't thank you enough. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.